Sebaceous filaments versus blackheads. The difference everyone gets wrong. What are sebaceous filaments? Sebaceous filaments are tiny, natural structures inside your pores that help move oil from your sebaceous glands to the surface of your skin. Unlike blackheads, they are a normal part of healthy skin and are most noticeable on the nose, chin, and forehead. Because they are light gray or yellowish in color, many people mistakenly think they are blackheads. What are blackheads? Blackheads form when a pore becomes clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, and debris. Since the pore remains open, the material reacts with oxygen and turns dark. Unlike sebaceous filaments, blackheads are actual clogged pores and can become larger over time if they are not managed properly. How can you tell the difference? Sebaceous filaments are usually small, evenly spaced, and appear in many pores at the same time. Blackheads, on the other hand, are darker, larger, and appear randomly where pores become clogged. If you look closely, sebaceous filaments create a uniform pattern, while blackheads stand out because they are more noticeable and irregular. Can you remove sebaceous filaments forever? The simple answer is no. Since sebaceous filaments are part of your skin's natural oil system, they will always come back. Deep cleansing may make them less visible for a short time, but your pores continue producing oil every day. The goal is not to eliminate them completely but to keep them looking less noticeable through a healthy skincare routine. The best way to care for both, whether you have blackheads or sebaceous filaments, a gentle skincare routine can make a big difference. Use a mild cleanser, products containing salicylic acid if suitable for your skin, lightweight non-comedogenic moisturizers, and sunscreen every day. Avoid squeezing your pores aggressively, as this may irritate the skin instead of improving it. Final thoughts: understanding the difference between sebaceous filaments and blackheads helps you choose the right skincare routine and avoid unrealistic expectations. Healthy skin naturally contains sebaceous filaments, while blackheads develop when pores become clogged. With consistent care and patience, your skin can appear cleaner, smoother, and healthier over time. Did this video help you understand the difference between sebaceous filaments and blackheads? Like this video and subscribe to Skin Remedian for more deep pore cleaning, skincare education, and realistic blackhead removal videos every week.